How can we reduce pollution over the next 10 years? It is a known fact that multinational corporations are responsible for a large amount of pollution from illegal dumping in our world, mainly in developing countries due to the lack of regulations. According to New York Times, it can be up to 10 times cheaper to export waste to developing countries. Several sources argue India, China, and Africa are the largest dumping sites for these illegal activities. What can we do to fix this? I propose a solution influenced by the liberal perspective involving the creation of an intergovernmental panel on illegal dumping. This panel would include the Environmental Investigation Agency, so that further investigations may be carried out in regards to the specific activities of these corporations. It would also include the United Nations Environment Program, in order to aid in the coordination and development of new environmental policies and legislature. These new policies would set the framework for the reduction of illegal dumping in developing countries from multinational corporations. One effective way to enforce this would be to set a limit on the amount of waste shipped to developing countries for disposal, or to fine corporations who are found guilty of illegal dumping upon inspections. Another effective enforcement tactic would be to increase trade barriers by requiring corporations to comply with policies on illegal dumping in order to trade with more ease. This process moves through the different levels of analysis, from the systemic with the use of international non-governmental organizations, the domestic by imposing new policies that affect national priorities, and finally the individual by affecting the decisions of multinational corporation CEOs.